When Mother Nature throws her worst at a house, high winds, earthquakes, or severe storms, what keeps it from literally shifting off the foundation is what we're going to talk about. Today, we're examining International Residential Code, Section R403.1.6, Foundation Anchorage. And this is the critical connection between a home's foundation and everything above it. Let's break down the essentials from the International Residential Code. For wood seal plates or walls on continuous foundations, the anchor bolts must be at least a half an inch thick in diameter, and the placing must not exceed more than 6 feet apart. The bolts need to be embedded at least 7 inches into the concrete or the grouted cells of the foundation wall. And placement should be in the middle third of the sill plate width. And every plate section needs at least 2 bolts, and the end bolts must be within 12 inches of the end, but not less than 7 bolt diameters away. For cold-formed steel framing, the code requires direct anchoring to the foundation or attachment to wood seal plates following the same guidelines. And the code provides reasonable exceptions. Walls 24 inches or shorter need only 1 anchor bolt in the center, and walls 12 inches or shorter can connect to the foundation without anchor bolts if properly secured to adjacent braced wall panels. Now, according to INTRNACHI's Home Inspection Standards of Practice, home inspectors need to report on any indications of possible foundation movement and any structural concerns that may affect safety. While our home inspection standards don't require us to identify the size, the spacing, the span or location, or determine the adequacy of foundation bolting, understanding proper anchorage helps us recognize potential problems in these areas. During pre-drywall inspections, home inspectors have a unique opportunity to observe foundation anchorage before it's all concealed. So what we want to look for is proper bolt diameter and spacing, adequate embedment into the foundation, correct placement within the sill plate, missing bolts at end of plate sections, improper cutouts around bolts that weaken the connection, and for homes in seismic zones, check for plate washers and tighter bolt spacing. Why does this all matter? Well, improper foundation anchorage isn't just a code violation. It's a critical structural vulnerability that can lead to a ton of things. Home displacement during high winds or seismic events. Structural failure that starts at the foundation connection. Compromised load paths throughout the entire structure, and costly repairs that are difficult to implement after construction. While code officials will check the foundation anchorage, your knowledge as a home inspector of code in these areas during pre-drywall inspections provides an additional layer of quality assurance for your clients. Remember, according to the INTRNACHI Home Inspection Standards of Practice, we report what we observe, and the pre-drywall phase is your only chance to observe these critical connections before they're concealed forever.